लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
Vicky, it's indeed a pleasure to have you here.
I love you too. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, सारी लड़कियों की तरफ से मैं कह देता हूँ, we love you, Vicky.
Thank you, man. Josh is high, sir. I am so happy to see such a high Josh over here, and thank you for receiving me with so much love and so much affection. Love you guys. Thank you so much for being so sweet. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm very excited. This is my first time I'm being a part of Fresh Face. It's the 11th season, and I'm really very excited. As an audience, I have followed it over the years, and we all have followed that who's going to be the winners and all. So I am very excited to know who's going to be the winners this year, and it's just an honor for me to kind of announce those winners later on. That's what I've been told. But happy to be here, and thank you so much. And I'll just let you take it over. And
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. A pleasure to have you. Request you in a hot set. I'll just guide you.
मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनून तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी।
वह अभी तो तीनों लड़की। As she said, we love you, Alessia. Thank you so much for all your help. Thank you. And also her sister, Anjali Raut Gill. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the... Miss Sain Gupta, may I also request to please join us on stage. Pleasure. And the Live On Miss Fab Hair goes to Janvi Goyal. Also receives a hamper from Live On. Turn it around for a nice picture, please. Thank you. Hold on, I'll help you. There you go. And also your face, yeah.
It's every time I see her, see her, see her.
Congratulations. Can the gentleman help the lovely lady with... Thank you, thank you. Request you to please stay back, both of you. Next sub-contest is Set Wet Mr. Charming is evaluated on his style, panache, confidence and charm. Please put your hands together for Siddharth Dayani as this is Set Wet Mr. Charming. May I request you to come a little forward, step forward, so we get the best of lights and we can capture the moment perfectly. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that later, yeah? Also receives a hamper from Set Wet. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations and thank you, Anukriti, for doing the honors. मैं यही करता रहूंगा आज की शाम. Shukriya. Hello, gentlemen. Thank you. Can I request you to please step forward? Ma'am, can I request you to please step forward? Thank you. And the winner for Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Miss Glowing Skin is Yukti Chug. उनको फॉरवर्ड करूं मुझे करूं मैं फॉरवर्ड आ जाऊं Ma'am, may I request you in the picture, please, and also to receive the hamper from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic.
It's every time I see her, see her, see her, see her.
That's the camera.
It's every time I see her.
Thank you, congratulations. Congratulations, Yuti. May I request you please stay back? Thank you. For the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Mr. Glowing Skin, please welcome the boy, Shabir Patrawala. छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका Thank you. Thank you, ladies, for doing the honors, and congratulations, Jabir. Thank you. Next, we'd like to call on stage Vishnu Raj Menon, Mr. India World 2018, to sash the remaining sub-contest winners. ये हाथ मुझे दे दो ठाकुर आप भी आ जाओ Girls, please, thank you. We've asked you as well, what do you think about the talent that you've seen this evening?
It's incredible because when I was in my first year, I participated in Fresh Ways as well. I got selected in the first round, and next round they were like, they're gonna be people from all colleges, and then you have to perform in front of them. And I'm like, I don't really think so. And then I didn't really go for the second round. I was really scared. And then now I'm here on the other side of the table, and I'm really grateful and proud. But seeing them do great performances, and they're so confident and not really scared. They just want to show themselves, and they want to prove themselves, and that's really, really cool. And I salute them.
Thank you. Gayatri, a few words from your end, please.
Guys, I have performed on stage, okay, several times. I'm a Bharatnatyam dancer and I'm a classical singer. And I have performed, and it's not easy to be performing in front of this huge crowd and doing the way, the way they're performing was fabulous. I mean, I had no words for so many of them, and the way they answered, that blew my mind. I mean, they all had so much confidence, and just the way they conducted themselves. Like, I could see honesty and like something very realistic about each one of them. So it was extremely hard. I don't know how we're going to do the final decision, but it was very difficult to pick one winner. So I've marked everybody as a winner, but I know what's going to happen. So yeah, it's congratulations to each one of you, whoever's performed tonight. All of you are winners in your own regard. So give a huge round of applause to your own selves. All of you backstage.
मेरी आंखों में देखो मैं भी realistic दिखता हूँ. All right, since Vicky is here and two lovely ladies are here, what better than पहले तो How's the Josh सुनना बनता है कि नहीं?
मैं सच में बता रहा हूँ जब से पिक्चर रिलीज हुई है मैंने ना गुड मॉर्निंग इतना बोला है ना गुड इवनिंग इतना बोला है जितना मैंने हाउस द जोश बोला है बट ऑल थैंक्स टू योर लव एवरी टाइम आई से इट माई जोश इज हायर सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन हाउस द जोश
Hi sir!
हाउस द जोश
Hi sir!
जय हिंद
Jai Hind!
जय हिंद
Jai Hind!
थैंक यू
You know, in the movie, please give it. In the movie, we've seen the rugged side of Vicky Kaushal. Now, you know, we are from the entertainment industry, so Gana to banta hai koi super Gana where we have two lovely ladies shaking a leg with Vicky. What say? Yeah, yeah. So Gayatri, do you want to hop onto this side? Hey, ruk. भाई इस पे ऐसा हो जाता विकी का मैं लड़ जाना बाजू में दो लड़कियां खड़ी है यार कंट्रोल कंट्रोल भाई कोई तो रोमांटिक गाना कर लो या फिर थोड़ी तड़कता भड़कता गाना अगर है तो प्लीज क्विकली लगा दो एनी ट्रैक दैट यू कैन थिंक ऑफ झिंगाट
But oh, bhai.
पूरा जोश डालना पड़ेगा उसे झिंग 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 झिंग
No, but am I having few lovely ladies from the crowd to do this along with me, or
I'm not who
वो मैं आप पे छोड़ता हूँ.
आई यार okay
I like how she's shifting between.
I love you but bus okay
You wanna come? There, come.
please allow her please
There, you come.
the girl there black top please 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 quick 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 come on quick 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 quick
You, come.
अच्छा कंट्रोल कंट्रोल हेलो बेबी क्या किया तुमने मैंने देखा वहां पे
Come. Is there any specific song that you like? Huh?
any track can the console
No,
hit
you're not
any
here
music
to watch me dance. You're here to dance along with me. Yeah.
भाई उसने लड़कियों को बुलाया था हमें नहीं बुलाया पर फिर भी आजा तू क्यूट है
ओए होए.
तो तू यहाँ आएगा
Game mode on.
can we have the music we can have should I yeah
Men's music. Raftar. Swag mera desi, swag mera desi, yeah. Swag mera desi, swag mera desi, yeah. Swag mera desi, swag mera desi. Y'all people ready? Swag mera clap. Let's go. Swag mera desi, swag mera desi, yeah. Swag mera desi, swag mera desi, yeah.
Alex.
Swag mera desi, swag mera desi, yeah. Swag mera clap.
स्वैग साडा देसी सारे लोकी सानू जाणदे देखी जाओ देसियां दी बकरी है शान वे चक्को उत्ते हत्थ जिनू गल दाए माण वे स्वैग साडा देसी सारे लोकी सानू जाणदे
Swag mera desi, swag mera desi, yeah.
स्वैग साडा देसी सारे लोकी सानू जाणदे
पहला है अंतरा तो धीरे से सुनाओ एक एक लाइन में तुमको समझाऊं पर धीरे धीरे जैसे गाना पढ़ने लगेगा और पर मेरा धीरे धीरे चढ़ने लगेगा तब फ्लो मेरा तेजी से बढ़ने लगेगा मैं हाथ नहीं आऊंगा और तुम ले ना पाओगे मेरी जगह और ऊपर हूँ काफी मैं तुमसे खड़ा और तुम्हें लगा था कि कुछ ना बनूंगा मैं आज हूँ देखो मैं कितना बड़ा और तुम बनना चाहोगे मेरी तरह गलती नाम की है नाम में ही तेजी है रफ्तार बंदा बहुत ज्यादा क्रेजी है but baby I'm never gonna sing in अंग्रेजी flow अंतरराष्ट्रीय swag मेरा देसी है
स्वैग साडा देसी सारे लोकी सानू जाणदे देखी जाओ देसियां दी बकरी है शान वे चक्को उत्ते हत्थ जिनू गल दाए माण वे स्वैग साडा देसी सारे लोकी सानू जाणदे
swag मेरा देसी swag मेरा देसी है
स्वैग साडा देसी सारे लोकी सानू जाणदे
मुझसे डरो घर को भगो कहीं जाके लेके आओ मेरे जैसा flow मन को बनो मुझसे भिड़ो करो मत करो
इतनी तालियों से मन नहीं भरता मजा आया तो जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए बेटा तालियां बज रही है टेंशन ना ले वेरी क्यूट आज हाथ नहीं धोएगी सोएगी नहीं मम्मी भूख नहीं लगी मुझे Your house is filled with what? मैंने सुना eavesdropping की आदत है मुझे Sure. Okay, time for us to disclose our winners. And here you go, lovely ladies. Okay, लड़कियों काश मैं होती, ऐसा बोलना ना तुमको. अच्छा, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम डिस्कशन बाद में हो सकता है. आप नीचे उतर सकती हैं. थैंक यू. बेबी सांस ले लो. Thank you. And a quick picture. Yeah. Oh, my angle is better this way. मेरी jawline यहाँ से super good दिखती है. Thank you so much, lovely ladies. Thank you. Vicky, I request you to please stay back. Thank you, girls. Thank you. All right. The mic is right here.
I just want to especially thank the DJ for such a romantic track. It just set the mood right. Thank you.
Thank you. Time for us to now disclose who the winners are, the second runner-up, first runner-up, and the title holder of Live On Times Fresh Face Season 11. Our second runner-up this evening, and let me tell you once again, all the winners will get a scholarship from Anupam Kher's Acting Academy that actor prepares, and our title holders get to feature in the digital campaign for Live On and Set Wet. Up first, the second runner-up of Live On Times Fresh Face Season 11 is Boy Siddhartha Dayani. थोड़ा आगे और सेंटर में, थोड़ा आगे और सेंटर में. Thank you. That's it. Yeah. हो गई क्योंकि तुम्हें देख के ऐसे होता है यार. तो congratulations. First runner up from the boys, please welcome Divas Kaushik. First runner up of Live On Times Fresh Face Season 11, Divas Kaushik. Congratulations. Ajay Jayati, can I request you to come here, if you don't mind, join the second runner-up. Thank you. First runner-up of Live On Times Fresh Face, Season 11, the girls, Prithvi Rajesh. Congratulations. Hold your breath. Time now for us to disclose the title holders of Live On Times Fresh Face Season 11. And the boy, the winner, will get to feature in the digital campaign for Set Wet. Are we ready? Guesswork is always nice. The title holder this evening is Afzal Siddiqui. Well, he gets a hamper from Set Wet and once again also gets to feature in the digital campaign for Set Wet.
Ma'am, can I have you on stage? That's Afzal's mother, ladies and gentlemen. She is as much a winner as Afzal is. Congratulations. You want to say something about Afzal? अच्छा, हमने इसके मुंह से सुन लिया कि आपने कहा था कि he's your शाहरुख. एक बार आप बोल दो अपनी जुबानी.
He is my Shahrukh.
Congratulations, Afzal. Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations, ma'am, and congratulations. May I request you to please step a little onto the left so that lovely lady, our title holder winner, can join us here. The Live On Times Fresh Face Season 11 winner from the girl also gets to feature in the digital campaign for Live On. And the winner is... बोलने दो यार. Sukanya Girish. नहीं मैं नहीं देख सकता तुझे रोते हुए. And runners-up get a scholarship at Anupam Kher's Acting Academy Actor Prepares. And Vicky, may I request you please join us in between for a perfect photo op with all our winners. Can I request all the winners to please come a little closer? Fun picture. पागलपंती वाला picture. बेचारी अभी तो रो रही थी तुम. Fun picture. Boys, fun no fun, Yoni, fun. Done? With the winners, just the winners? Okay. Request just our title holders to please stay with Vicky. And the runners-up request to just go on step aside. Acha, wait, kahan puppy le rahi hai? Control. Can I request you to please step onto the left and just both of them? Hold on. Vicky, a selfie with our winners, please. Okay, can we have all of you together in one selfie, and can we have one more selfie, please? Selfie का ज़माना है. Thank you so much. The picture is still remaining with the title holders, so can we please just have the title holders in the center? Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Vicky. It's a pleasure to meet you and have you here. Thank you. Let's make some noise for Vicky Kaushal. Thank you so much for intensifying the Josh. It's a pleasure to have you. Thank you. Looks like a complete perfect family. Cool. Thank you so much. This way, please. Thank you. Thank you, Vicky. And all the winners, let's make some noise for all our winners! Congratulations. Little closer. Very nice photo op with